What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel in another video. So I got a 3D printer for Christmas, so I went through, I found this cup. The only thing I didn't like about it was the slots are stuck, and if you're like me, you do a lot of these split cup pours and the paint just dries inside, and then they're just really difficult to clean. And I don't want to rinse all the paint down the drain. So I went through and kind of built the same version of the 3D cup, but, wait, wrong cup. But you can actually disassemble this one, which is really cool because it opens up a whole bunch of other possibilities. Let's say you just want 3-chamber flip or split cup, or what have you. It's really cool. And I get tired of using my wooden mixing sticks, so I 3D printed these and then made a resin cast of them out of silicone mold. So now I can have a ton of these and I'll never have to throw them away again. But with that, let's get into the straight pour. So I have this titanium white, I have a sap green, I have an emerald green, and then an old gold. Okay, that's nice. I'm not going to spin the canvas this time because I want to see what effects I can get. Let me steady my hand a little bit. I want to see what it looks like when it all unfolds on the canvas. I'm already liking that green and like the dark green that's sandwiched between the gold and the white. And we have those two distinct lines of two different shades of green. Nice. I might spin it a little bit. I want some of that gold on this side too. So I'll just spin it and let it stretch from there. My hand's going crazy. So there will be bubbles in this pour because I mixed all the greens and the gold, but I didn't mix a white. And I feel like if I would have just used all these greens and gold, there would have been very minimal contrast there. So hopefully the bubbles don't disturb the surface too much. But yeah, the paint is pouring out of the cup really well. I hope you guys have had a very glorious Christmas and New Year's. Had a great time with family. I'm done with all my festivities, so I'm getting back to pouring because I've missed it. I have definitely missed it a lot. So I'm going to ease back on our stream here. Try not to move too much. Getting my hand ready. Kind of catch it. Nope, I moved all over the place. Alright, let's let it come out just a little bit more. Clean up that center. Maybe I'll build a contraption to hold the paint. Well, trying to stop it, I also dipped my finger in there. So here's the good part though, right? I like to take these out. And I got a bucket of water back here. And I can soak all these, so if I wanted to use these immediately again, I could definitely do that. That's so cool. That's really cool. I like that. All right. I'm gonna center this thing. I'm curious. It's not really in the middle though. But I am thinking about trying to dial in that spinning or the mixing sticks and the 3D cup print. And if that's something you guys would be interested in, getting a link to it or something, just let me know in the comments if that's something you think you would use or if you think it's a decent idea. Or ways that I could improve it. If you have any ideas about how I could improve the cup, that would be great. I know it leaks a little bit on the bottom, but it didn't seem to affect the colors here. And I think we're about ready. Let's see what she looks like. Ooh. Oh, wow. Really nice, delicate lines. And then I'm not too upset that in the center I touched it with my finger either. All right, well, let me get you guys down here. We'll check it out. This thing came out so nice. Really fine lines. In the middle right there, you can see that's where I kind of wiggled a little bit with my hand, disrupted some of it. It's really hard to keep your hands steady. But man, so cool. So there is such a shimmer and sparkle in this thing. I really love the way it came out. Tell me what you think.
If you want to watch another video just like this, click the screen right now and I'll see you there.